Welcome to the Dinner in Minutes with Bahja series. Today we're making a simple and flavorful lentil soup that's perfect for Ramadan after a long day of fasting or when you want something cozy. We're starting off with 1 cup of lentil. I chopped up 1 tomato, 1 potato, onion, and a couple of cloves of garlic. And then I put the onion, garlic into water along with the lentils that I washed, and then stir that around and then let it come up to a boil and let it cook for about 20 minutes. Afterwards, I let the soup cool down for about an hour so that I can blend it in the blender, and then afterwards I returned it to the pot, added my spices, I added curry powder, turmeric, a salt and pepper, and a little bit of paprika. And afterwards, this is how the soup turned out. Very hearty and nutritious. Let me know in the comments if you make this soup. Welcome back to the Dinner in Minutes with Bahja series. Today we're making a hearty and comforting lamb and oatmeal soup. I start out by chopping 3 medium-sized tomatoes and a half onion, and pouring the onions and tomatoes into a pot with olive oil and stirring that around until the tomatoes become soft. And I add my lamb pieces and just enough water for it to cover and for it to boil, and then I added my salt. And then finally, I added my oatmeal into the mixture blender, and this is how it looks like after about 1 hour of being on. And this is how it turned out. Craving a tasty meal? We'll then try this beef and pepper stir fry. These are the ingredients that I used: soy sauce, bell pepper of any color, garlic, ginger, and onions. These are my thinly sliced peppers, thinly sliced beef that I used. Then I just sauteed the beef with peppers and onions and then put it all together with the sauce, and this is what I came out with. Craving comfort food? Then you need to try this delicious chicken alfredo pasta. These are the ingredients that I started out with, and I also had fresh mushrooms that I sliced up. I used fresh garlic, but you can also use powdered if that's all you have. Next, I put into a saute pan garlic and butter. Next, I added the chicken and mushrooms together, and I added the alfredo sauce. Combine the alfredo with the pasta.